Hello everyone, this is Mr. Appel, and we're going to graph this piecewise function here. You'll notice that it's divided at 0. The two pieces are divided at 0. But this one's going to have a hole in it. This is our first time seeing that, so let's see what that looks like. So when x is less than 0, we've got x squared plus 1, so it's a quadratic, so we may want to go ahead and, whoops, that's not what I meant to do. We may want to go ahead and make a table to get a few values. So let's say at -3, -2, -1, and then it's 0. So -3 squared is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, -2 squared is 4, plus 1 is 5, -1 squared is 1, plus 1 is 2, and 0 squared is 0, plus 1 is 1. So let's go ahead and plot those. So -3, 10 is up there, -2, 5 is right there, -1, 2 is right there. But remember 0, 1 is actually not defined because this is defined for x less than 0, but not when x is equal to 0. So that means that there's going to be an open circle at 0, 1. Now immediately to the left of that is included. So everything to the left on that parabola, all of those points are included, but that open circle there means it's not defined there at x equals 0. Okay, great. Now let's do the right side. So for 5x minus 2, and I've been doing this with the slope, but you can also do this by making a table. So when x is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, minus 2 is -2. When x is 1, 5 times 1 is 5, minus 2 is 3. When x is 2, that's 10 minus 2, which is 8. So you can quickly grab a couple of points that way if you like. And now 0, -2 is a closed circle because it's defined for 5x minus 2, because x is greater than or equal to 0, right? So again, it's included there. And so let's plot those points so we can see. So 1, 3 is right there, and then 2, 8 is right there. And so I'm going to go ahead and draw that line. It's a very steep line. I'm not quite sure why I did it that way, but here we go. And so that is what this piecewise function looks like. And you notice it's not what we call continuous. There's this little gap there because it kind of jumped from one to the other, but that's just the way it is. That happens sometimes. It is still a function. It still passes the vertical line test because at 0, there's only one output. The only output is -2. If you were wondering or thinking about us calling it a piecewise function, it is still, in fact, a piecewise function. Okay, that's all for now.